This portable cleaner is remarkably easy to carry from room to room, weighing just over 8 pounds, making it perfect for quick cleanups on stairs and furniture. Its powerful suction works in tandem with a robust scrubbing action to lift and permanently eliminate stubborn, set-in stains from deep within carpet fibers. An impressively long hose and power cord provide ample reach, allowing you to effortlessly detail car interiors and clean distant corners without needing an extension cord. Engineered specifically for households with pets, it effectively neutralizes lingering odors and comes with a dedicated tool for removing stubborn pet hair from upholstery. The dual-tank system conveniently keeps clean and dirty water separate for easy filling and disposal, while the one-touch self-cleaning feature rinses the hose and tool after each use. From muddy paw prints on the rug to accidental spills on the couch, this machine offers a comprehensive solution for spraying, scrubbing, and extracting messes on a variety of soft surfaces.